And moving on to some more breaking news coming in. Delhi's Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal, in a letter to the Prime Minister Narendra Modi, has now urged to stop flights from regions witnessing the new variant with immediate effect. He also says that any further delay may prove harmful. Let me now go across to Madhurima joining us live. And Madhurima, certainly at a time when the entire world has woken up, and we'll try to go back to Madhurima shortly, but at a time when we are witnessing the entire world taking cognizance of this new variant originating from South Africa first, Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal has also now written to the Prime Minister. Going back to Madhurima, and Madhurima, help us understand the details of this letter.
Well, the Chief Minister has taken serious cognizance of the new variant that has been reported and the kind of effect it's having in the country, where it is being touted that it has originated and it's affecting the most. The Chief Minister has now written to the Prime Minister to take some serious preventive measures, like some of the European countries have stopped the flight from the affected areas. And in the similar fashion, Mr. Kejriwal has written to the Prime Minister requesting that India should also take a similar sort of decision and suspend the flights coming from the affected area of this particular, from where all these new variant cases are coming, because Delhi and Mumbai, these two were one of the two most affected places at the time of the second wave. And now, being prudent, Mr. Kejriwal has requested the Prime Minister to take some prudent measures so that the national capital and in fact the entire country has not to go through the painful times that the entire country suffered during the second wave. He has said that now the situation is much better in our country. The national capital is reporting somewhere around 30 to 50 cases in the past couple of months, with 0 deaths being recorded for a very, very long time. So Mr. Kejriwal has said that massive efforts have been put to reach this certain level, and that businesses have been opened and a lot has now been going on, and Air India has been able to successfully flatten the curve. Some preventive measures should be taken, and this is what he has asserted in the letter, requesting that swift and preventive measures should be taken so that this new variant does not affect our country the way the second wave was caused. Back to you.
Meanwhile, Madhurima, we have also accessed that letter that Arvind Kejriwal has written to the Prime Minister. We have it on the screens right now, where he has spoken about how we should do everything possible to prevent this new variant of concern recently recognized by the WHO from entering India. A number of countries, including the European Union, have suspended travel to the affected regions. He further states that I urge you to stop flights from these regions with immediate effect. Any delay in this regard may certainly prove harmful.